Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be transforming myself into Harley Quinn, the Melted Edition. Yeah, we'll go with that one. So if you guys are interested in seeing this look, then keep watching. So I applied my toner off camera, and now I'm just going in with my glue stick. It always helps to go against the grain a few times to fully coat each hair. This just helps to smooth everything down completely flat. Next up, I'm going to be applying my bald cap. Since I'm not going out with this look, I'm just going to put my hair back in a ponytail. Although, if you are going out in this look, I would tuck your hair up in the cap and then seal it from behind. Now I'm just gluing down the sides of my bald cap using spirit gum, and then I'm smoothing the edges using liquid latex. I'll link all the products down below for you guys as well so you can find them. Now I'm just getting started on my sketch of the character. Harley's outfit is pretty straightforward, and there are a ton of different depictions of her, which actually relieves a lot of pressure for detail, so you basically just need to draw 2 diamond shapes around each eye and then thicken it. I like to use black eyeshadow for this step because it's super easy to wipe away if you make a mistake. I've seen so many people recreate Harley that I knew I needed a different approach. That's why I chose to make her melting, just in case you were wondering. Okay, so I wasn't sure if I was going to stick with the cartoon drip look that I tried drawing on that side, or if I was going to try to create natural looking drips. So that's why the one side of her head is undone for now, and I just moved on to the bottom half of her suit instead. Whew, that was a really long-winded explanation. After realizing that real drips would ruin the effect of the mask, I stuck with the cartoon drips, so I just continued that on the other side of my head. Now I'm grabbing my Mayor on Paradise palette to start filling in the blanks. This palette is honestly the best paint I've ever come across. It doesn't get all dry and flaky, it's ridiculously pigmented, and it just lasts for hours on end. I'm not sponsored by them. I wish that I was, but I'm not. But I'll definitely include the link below for you guys. You can get it on Amazon. I do have an affiliate link, so I do get paid for a portion if you decide to buy it. So just making sure I disclose that. There are a lot of options as far as costumes for Harley, but I feel like if you want to look original, DIY is always on your side. In this video, I stop at my chest, but you can either continue painting to go full on like body paint style to mimic her suit, or you can just buy a cheap black mini dress to wear and then just paint your legs to match your opposite arms. You can always search a bald cap tutorial for in-depth instructions. There are a ton of YouTube videos on it. I'm actually thinking of doing one soon, so I'll probably have that up before Halloween. When it comes to the lips, I was basing this off of the comics when they showed like the white half moon in the center of their mouth representing teeth, but you can always just fill the lips in completely with black just to make it more wearable. My only regret with this look is that I didn't match the style of drips that I started on my head. I have like 3 different drip techniques shown here, so if you're trying to recreate this look, I would definitely stick with one drip technique just to give it a cohesive feel. Now to finish off the suit, I just have to make her jester headpiece. I make all of my paper props out of cardstock paper. It's about 3 times thicker than printer paper, which makes it more durable and easy to work with. So I'm just holding the sheet of paper up to my head and then I'm freehanding it. This just makes it easier to get accurate sizing this way. To attach these, I'm using spirit gum, so you're going to want to wait a few minutes for these to get tacky before sticking them on, or else they're just going to slide around like crazy. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. If you love the way that it turned out, then give me a thumbs up down below. You can also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, stay creative.